Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, the phone numbers are in the description box. You know what to do with them. Please do it every day. Please subscribe and share this video out. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. I make these videos every morning at 6 a.m. Please come back every morning to watch my videos. The $2,000 plus stimulus check, as grim as it looks right now, with all the hubbub, people talking about stuff they don't know. It don't look like the 2,000 plus is going to happen, but I still feel optimistic that it will. These people are just stating their opinion. And just because one senator says he wants less than $1,200, that don't make it fact. He's just one person. Okay, I'm going to tell you again about Buns Eater. Please don't subscribe to his channel. Please don't watch his videos. Don't give him the views. He is stealing videos from me and Clear Tax View and somebody else, Graham somebody, I forgot his last name. But he's taking our videos, changing the thumbnail and putting them on his site as they're his videos because he's too dumb to make his own videos. Excuse me, y'all, I'm sorry. The $40,000 cap on who gets the stimulus check, if there's a stimulus check. Y'all think about this. How many people over 75,000 would be left out in the cold? Now, I know y'all have heard it. You're probably thinking, well, $75,000, they don't need help. I'm sure you've heard the more you make, the more it takes. Then people are feeling the crunch just like we are. So, yeah, they do need the help. Think about how many people would be left out if they do this. And like people with like 45,000. Sure, it's tiered out, but if you cut these people, those people really needs every penny they can get. I don't think it's going to fly. If they want to return to office after November, they won't go with $40,000. They'll be just like it was before. Okay, I want to talk a little bit about income tax, and y'all, I'm going to tell you right now, I am no tax expert. This is just something that I think would be interesting. Something that I've done in the past. Y'all, you know how they're dragging their feet on giving us any help. Do you think it's coincidence that July the 15th is when they want your taxes paid, and that's just 5 days from when they come back to determine if they're going to give us a stimulus check? Do you think that's by accident? I don't. So what I'm saying you should do, request an extension. Do not pay your taxes when they want it done. Make them wait. After that extension, request monthly payments. For hardship, everybody's facing a hardship right now. And you can tell them how much you can afford. I've done this 2 times before. I just didn't want to pay them because it was too much. I told them I can only pay $25 a month. Guess what? They took it. The bottom line is make them wait the way they've made us wait. Because them demanding their money by July the 15th is no accident that they're just now coming back from their recess to determine how much they want to give us. Now, I'm no tax expert. If you want to try that, do it. But I just think it would be awesome if nobody paid their taxes until they wanted to. Okay. Y'all, when a member of Congress talks and spits out these little tidbits, things that they want to see in the bill, that's all it is talk. One person cannot make the bill. They all have to vote on it. And most people that's talking don't even have a vote. Like Larry Kudlow, he don't have a vote. President Trump don't have a vote. A lot of people that don't have votes are talking what they want to see. They don't make it right. They don't make it fact. And with all the YouTubers saying stuff like, it's been confirmed, nothing's been confirmed yet. Don't believe that. Okay, I'm going to tell you a little something I found out about PPP money. Did you know there's a big laundry list of companies that is controlled by the CCP? The China Communist Party controls these companies, but yet they get PPP money. That's our tax money going to communist country China, the place where this whole pandemic started. And they've got the nerve to take American money when Americans are getting nothing. Just something to think about. But they have got millions and millions of dollars from PPP. Larry Kudlow said yesterday that we are doing really good and we're holding a steady V-shaped recovery. Maybe in his ivory tower, looking through his rose-colored glasses. He also said we can go back to school and we'll be safe by getting our temperature checked at school every day. And then he topped that off by saying, come on, it's not that hard. He is such a jerk. Y'all, remember, everything right now is opinion. Nothing is fact until it's signed on the dotted line. Y'all, I want to tell you about some gear that I've got. I was going to wear it and show it to you, but you can't see it. You can't really see it good on the camera. Okay, there you go. We the people are pissed off. I've got this and several other pins on my website. It's another way to get your voice heard. Y'all, if you order one pin, I will send you another pin of my choice. So you'll get two pins for the price of one. They're $6.99. I'm gonna have the link down in the bottom. It will be the pinned comment in it. Go check it out. Also, you remember the stun guns that I have? I still got a few of them. They're going fast, so if you want one, you better get one. And it will be on that same website. Y'all, go check that gear out. Let your voices be heard by wearing your pin everywhere you go. This one right here is We the People Are Pissed Off, and we are. And there's several other pins on that website too. And I've got a little special. If you order a stun gun, I'll give you a pin free. So go check that out. Y'all, I make these videos every morning at 6 a.m. Please come back every morning. Be sure and like my channel. Be sure and subscribe. Be sure and share my videos out. It would help me tremendously. And for the ones of you that's commented and subscribed to my other two channels, thank you so much. My music channel is blowing up and I am so proud of that, and I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. I love reading your comments over there. Y'all, keep your heads up. We will get out of this thing with our heads held high, and we will be better for it. It's just going to take a while because we know our government does not care, and they're dragging their feet. But again, on those taxes, we can show them how much we care about them. They're not going to put you in jail for not paying your taxes on time. They will add a penalty to it, but it's not really that bad of a thing because you're going to pay it. You're not going to stretch it out forever. Let them wait a few months and then pay it off. You won't be charged that much penalty by doing it that way. If enough people does this, they'll get the message. Y'all just know I love you all, and please subscribe to my channel and go check out that cool gear that I got. I got a bunch of buttons, and I got those stun guns. They come in 3 colors. They come in pink, black, and purple. This is the purple, and I know it looks blue on camera, but it is a real pretty shade of purple. I love you all. Until tomorrow. Ciao.